In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the price of your Airbnb listing. Whether you're adjusting prices to reflect market demand or seasonal changes, this guide will walk you through the steps to update your listing efficiently. First, let's navigate to Airbnb.com. You can do this via any web browser on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so by entering your account credentials. Once you're on the Airbnb homepage, you'll need to switch from the guest view to the host view. To do this, look for the Switch to Hosting option. It's typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will redirect you to your host dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your listings. Next, we are going to locate the Listings tab. This section will show you all of the properties you have listed on Airbnb. Click on Listings, and you'll see a list of all your current rentals. From here, find the specific listing you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct one because each property can have different settings and details. Click on the listing that you want to update. Now that you're within the listing details, look for the Pricing option. Click on Pricing, which will take you to the section where you can adjust various financial aspects of your listing, including the nightly rates. If you need to change your weekday pricing, you can do so here. Once you've made the desired adjustments to the weekday price, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom or top of the page, and click it to ensure your new prices are stored. Don't forget about the weekend pricing if that's also a part of your strategy. Weekend rates can be adjusted separately, providing you with flexibility for pricing on Fridays and Saturdays or other weekend days. As with the weekday pricing, make your changes and remember to click Save again after adjusting the weekend rates. Ensuring you've saved these changes is crucial, as forgetting this step can result in your updates not being applied. And that's it. You've successfully updated the pricing for your Airbnb listing. This process allows you to stay competitive and responsive to market changes. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your pricing can make a big difference in your booking rate and ultimately your revenue. If you need to make any further adjustments, simply repeat these steps as necessary. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.